Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems here in Lecanto, Florida. As you can see, we've been really busy with our heat exchangers. And basically what we've got here is a 405 aftermarket heat exchanger, but very well known in the industry, sold worldwide. This one happens to be going to Fern Gully, Providence, Victoria, Australia. And it's going to a place that sells truck mounts. So as you can see, they need one of these for their older style 405. And also this will fit the Legend, the Bruins, the Trailblazer, the Sabre, the Lancer, to name a few. It's the same footprint, the same template, because Karcher did not want to get too involved in making a whole bunch of templates, because it's very expensive when you make templates in a machine shop. So here you've got a piggybacked here. You can see the 3/8 front to back is completely lined up, open slotted 3/8. Makes it real easy to install. If you go on our truck mount store, you'll see one of the Legends that shows my customer and myself are installing one of these units inside a Legend SC, and it came out really nice. Took the front panel off with the Allen screws, disconnected that rod that goes to your exhaust diverter, and unhooked the 3/8 hose that comes in on the JIC 90 that comes on the side, which is your input going into your heater. And of course, the other one came straight out through here. The only difference is ours doesn't have a catalytic, okay? So it's skinnier. Doesn't use this. Really, this was just something that they were it almost seems like they were experimenting with it, because this goes into a cone, and that with the hopes that will, there's very restrictive in the way they designed it. And of course, they have so many inner brackets trying to stabilize the coil that's why they had such a high fail out there in the market and out in the field. So anyways, we got the exhaust pipe, stainless, 316, goes through your panel and screws into the side right here, into the front. That will replace this, okay? Pretty much the same length. Again, the same distances from front to back. And then we have our flange here, which goes into your exhaust diverter, okay? We use one of the gaskets and it gets bolted in, and then we use flex hose. We get plenty of flex hose. You'll probably have more than enough left over. The stainless flex hose, 1 3/8, which is specially made. It's hard to find in the industry for a 1-inch pipe nipple. It's got to be able to fit perfectly on there and nice and snug, as you can see right here. It goes right in there real nice. You use a 1.5 size pipe clamp, muffler clamp, and that'll hold that on there. So, and then here's your gasket. Of course, you want to make sure that is mated with that flange when it's on the exhaust diverter. Nice, tight, airtight fit. And then you've got your pulse hose. It goes on your pressure pump to absorb the pulsations. It's recommended that you may want to use one more at the unloader, so the reflective pulsations or the aftermath of the pulsations will get further dampened by a secondary pulse hose if you choose to do it that way. So as you can see, this is 3,500 pounds pressure rated. We've been really busy putting out our heat exchangers, our patented heat exchangers. 3,500 pounds pressure rated, real easy to install. Go look us up on the truckmountstore.com. 24/7 at the Legend SC installation video that's on YouTube and happens to be put on our store so you can see it. And basically, again, you take the front panel off and the rod, disconnect it from your exhaust diverter assembly, and then of course you disconnect the 3/8 coming off your unloader, and you'll have a really good heater that'll last a long time, give you excellent heat, and won't fail like the Prochems so often failed because of their bracketed weak areas that they bracketed their coil inside. So it was a lot of stress points, expansions and contractions, which later led to a lot of leaks. So here we are, and it's just a beautiful heat exchanger, and we do the Blazer Plus We do the Cub XL, which is a shorter bodied, just like the Lazer Plus, but it uses a 3/4 conduit inlet. The Performer Cub XL is more of a less common model, but we do those as well. So if you guys are in trouble and you need to have someone fix your truck mount and get the heat back up so you don't have to buy a brand new truck mount, look us up online at truckmountstore.com 24/7. Call us at 727-505-2989. We'll talk to you later. Look forward to hearing from you. Have any questions, call me. Thank you.